I'm like one of the weird people that never has tummy issues. I know, I'm one of God's favorites, clearly. A couple weeks ago, I started like feeling really sick. And then like last week out of nowhere, I was the most sick I've ever been in my entire life. I never had any food sensitivities. Like I literally eat whatever I want. And I finally was like, you know what? I'm gonna do one of those like food tests. I filled it out yesterday. It's a hair test, so I was like, sign me up, because I wasn't going to do anything that involved a needle, to be honest. I also like that you can use the same sample to test multiple other things. Inflammation test, a stress test, and it's like $20 each. So you know what? I will keep you posted. You like that little action shot? I feel like my luck is either really good or really bad, because it has been really good and now I feel like it's like really bad again. My arms, I use this fake tan that I got like for free from a brand. So orange, like look at this. But anyway, stay posted. If that test tells me that I can't eat all the food that I enjoy eating, I'm gonna pretend like I never got the test.